Hello, dear student, and I hope you are doing wonderful. Welcome to the self-paced learning part, and in this video, I'm gonna show you your typical Monday. I will show you how Canvas is structured and how you can access Vidyard with the short classes, and I will remind you about the live classes recordings hub as well. So first of all, you just need to log into Canvas. I'm already logged into Data Batch 25. You click on Modules and you will see week one, probably like this. So you just need to click on arrow and you will see what week one can offer you for learning. So first, you can see week one hub short classes and it will be the link. If you click on it, you will see the link of the hub. But I will show you how it works just in a while after we accept the invitation to this week one hub. The day one, here is a course access, but usually you will see the materials. Day four, the same. Day three, there is a live class. Day three means Wednesday, and you're having live classes at 7 p.m. till 10 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesdays. So you can also see intro classes slides, and usually all our live classes will have slides except for Power BI and Tableau. Usually we don't use slides because we are not going through theoretical part, and it's mostly about practice in Power BI and Tableau classes. Day four, you can see Excel learning. So today you are starting with Excel. And here you can see the sentence, watch these videos on the hub. And you will see the video, Intro to Microsoft Excel. You will see another video, hands-on experience of Microsoft Excel. Then you can see Excel sheet. Then you will see the video, which you need to watch again. And there is another Excel sheet, basic arithmetic operations. And here at the end, you will see the slides. Day 5 has the same structure. Day 6 has the same materials and videos you need to watch. And on day 7 is Sunday, you're going to have Excel live classes. And here you can see Excel live classes slides. Study case in this case. So what we need to do first. So on Monday by 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we will be inviting you to weekly hub. You will be having around 18 hubs. So let me show you what you will need to do. So first, you will be invited to a video hub. The same procedure as you were doing with the live classes hub. You just click on the email. You click here to sign in. And you need to set up the password. And we recommend that you set up the same password for all your hubs. Then you click on set password. And here, Google or any of your browsers will suggest you, will offer you to update the password or to save the password in your case. So for me, it will be no thanks, but for you, it should be yes. And then what you do, you click on bookmark this tab. And you can create your own folder. For example, you can call it Syntax Bootcamp. And you should bookmark this page with the classes of week one that you can access it anytime. So all the invitations to video hubs will expire in 7 days. So the very important thing, if even you are studying at your own pace, you will need to sign in to every hub every Monday till the end of the course. That you can access it without any problem at any time and any week. But by the end of the course, we will invite you to the hub with all the classes of the whole course. Just not to have 18 weeks. Once you are graduated, you will be having just one hub with all pre-recorded short classes. But during these 4 months, you will be having 18 weeks weekly hubs. So for now, it just sounds complicated, but you will get used to it and we will guide you. So don't worry. So for now, what we are doing, we signed in to week 1 classes. You can see the name here. And we go to Canvas. And as I said earlier, we have this week 1 hub short classes link. If you click on it and click on it again, it will bring you to the classes of week 1. But if only you have accepted and signed in into this hub earlier. So we just place this link for you that you don't need to bookmark, for example, or just not to not to miss it, not to forget about it. We just placed it here, just a reminder for you that you can access it and find it anytime here in Canvas. So everything will be in Canvas. Important information. So what we see on day 4, we have the videos which we need to watch. And this is intro to Microsoft Excel. So we go to Vidyard and we can see this is intro to Microsoft Excel. We just click on it. We click on play. And all our videos are having subtitles. You can change the quality. You can change the speed. Yes, and you can just disable subtitles or just leave them as it is. And plus, you can just make it full screen and you can watch the video in full screen. So then what Canvas says? It says watch hands-on experience of Microsoft Excel. Okay, where is this video? We just click on syntax logo and we are back into day 4. And here, hands-on experience, we will watch it again. We'll watch this video. All right? Yes. And what we see here, we see Excel sheet. We can download it. And we can work in it along with the video and follow what Shiva was doing in the video number 1 or video number 2. To go back to the list of what we need to do, we just need to click on modules. And we have another video to watch for today, for day 4. we have basic arithmetic operations. Okay, let's go and find. Actually, we can find it here as well. Yes, here it is. We click on it, and what we see? Yes, we watch this video. Yes, and you can see that under this video, we have another Excel sheet. We click on it, we click on download, and every sheet should have examples. As you can see we have examples here, exercise 1, exercise 2, example number 1, 2. So you just need to watch the video and do what Shiva does in the video and practice. Again, we just click on modules and we are back to our list. And what else we have? We have Excel here, Excel slides. Again, you can just open it here on Canvas, or you can download the slides. All the slides are downloadable for your convenience. And here you can see the slides which are saying about introduction, about key features, so you can just you can have all this written information besides the videos. Again, we click on modules. And this is all for this week. And week 2 will be having the same structure and plus one assignment. We will guide you about the assignment, but it won't be difficult to understand how to submit your solution. So don't worry, we will guide you as well. And for your convenience, on Discord in the information channel, we will be posting the links to all the weeks. You have the link to the live classes, but again, they will be accessible for you if only you accept the invitation, which will be sent to your Gmail address every Monday. Let me show you where to find yesterday's recordings of the live class. So for example, you are on Discord and you go to the information channel and you click on this hub. And if you are not signed in before, you won't see the videos. So you just need to sign in. And you are signed in and you can see Excel learning category and you can see yesterday's recorded session, Wednesday live class, intro class, January 7th. So you can just click on it and you can watch it. Yes, guys, that's why you need to bookmark every hub on Vidyard. Yes, again, you can just create a folder for Syntax Bootcamp and you will be having a list of your bookmarked pages of week 1 of live classes, and you can simply access them anytime when you want. Or you go on Discord and you will be having a list of the links here. I hope that the explanation will help you. Please ask any questions in the channels. Just watch the video and let us know if you have other questions. But for now, I have showed you everything, how to access your Vidyard hub of week 1, how to watch the videos, how to find your recorded session on the live classes. Yes, and to come back, you just need to click on our logo and you will see Excel learning and your videos. And of course, later you will be having other videos here and other topics as well. So have a nice day and let us know in the channel if you have any questions, if you need any help, we are here for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys.